Everson Maciel, owner and coaching director of Everson Soccer. ESA Pro Lab is the newest Everson Soccer Academy program. We put this program together to match the level and the training tools around the world on the top academies. Players will have an evidence on how well they're doing at every single training session. We're going to be using the video system and also the GPS system that gives a lot of information data for our coaches to work with our players. A high qualified coaching staff to analyze those data. We're also going to be working with small groups of 4 and maximum of 10 players, where we can match up the level and still have a high quality training session for our players. We'll be using different surfaces or different type of training, such as we're going to train on grass, turf, indoors, outdoors. Also, we're going to work on the beach, and we're going to be doing futsal training as well to achieve every topic and every subject that we needed. We'll be using the huddle system to videotape every single session, and with this, players will be able to see and watch them practicing, and coaches can put a coaching points using that system, where it's going to be much easier and better for our players visualizing what they did wrong or what they did right. We're going to use the GPS system to give us data, graphics. The GPS system will give the data for our players and how they ran or how much space they covered during the training sessions. Also, their top speed that can be measured, and how many sprints they did in each practice sessions. If we're at the games, this system can give us a heat map to see where our players are being on the field and covering most space. This can be compared in the graphics with other players around the world, and also with professional players that play on that same position. Those tools will help our coaches interact with players to give them the best feedback possible, and also to set goals and targets for them to keep improving throughout the sessions. I'm confident to say that ESA Pro Lab will be the most advanced training session to match up the modern soccer, the modern training that's happening in the game. So this right here with us at Everson Soccer Academy, you'll be able to get top high quality training sessions in a small group and get the best results. Every minute on the pitch will count.